Once upon a time, nestled in the heart of the untamed Pacific Ocean, there lay an enigmatic landmass known to sailors as Monster Snake Island. Legends whispered of a colossal serpent, with emerald scales shimmering under the blazing sun, slithering through the thick underbrush and towering trees. Its name was Ophidia, the ancient guardian of the island, said to possess powers beyond mortal comprehension. Only the bravest adventurers dared to seek the island, drawn by rumors of a priceless treasure hidden within the serpent's lair. Among them was Captain Alistair and his intrepid crew, who, despite the warnings of the treacherous waters and the monstrous guardian, set sail with unwavering determination. As they docked their ship along the rugged shoreline, the air grew thick with an eerie silence, broken only by the distant hiss of the fabled Ophidia. Armed with courage and a map obtained from a weathered traveler, the crew cautiously ventured deeper into the dense jungle, their hearts pounding with anticipation and fear. Mystical creatures, never before witnessed by human eyes, appeared from the foliage, guiding the adventurers towards the heart of the island. Illuminated by the soft glow of ancient torches, they finally reached the great serpent's lair, a cavern adorned with dazzling jewels and shimmering artifacts from bygone eras. But just as they laid their hands upon the treasure, the ground began to rumble, and the colossal form of Ophidia emerged, eyes gleaming with an otherworldly fury. With a deafening roar that shook the very foundations of the island, the serpent coiled around the intruders, imprisoning them within its steely embrace. Yet, as Ophidia prepared to deliver its final judgment, Captain Alistair, with a heart filled with empathy, spoke of the outside world, of the wonders and the stories waiting to be told. Moved by the captain's sincerity, Ophidia released its grip, allowing the crew to escape with their lives and a newfound understanding of the island's mystical power. As they sailed away, the last glimpse of Monster Snake Island vanished into the horizon, leaving behind a tale of courage, wisdom, and the awe-inspiring presence of the legendary Ophidia, forever entwined with the island's ancient mysteries.